Happy weekend, everyone. Welcome to today's video. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm currently at Ocean View in Lagos, beside Eco Atlantic. Last week, I made a video about a copy trading system that makes money for you, even if you don't know how to trade Forex. Now, if you are in crypto or a Forex trader and you are not making money, and you're looking for something that can make you consistent income, now I have a copy trading system for you that can help you to make between 10 to 20% every single month. Now, I did a video last week about this copy trading system, and I'm going to show you the result of this last week that just ended. I did a video last 2 weeks, but this last week that just ended, today is Saturday. I'm going to show you a video of the current trade of this copy trading system for you to see how it works. Now, I also use this copy trading to trade, and I'm also a prop funded trader. Now, here is my certificate as a prop funded trader. If you go to my YouTube channel, you see when I made a video about when I passed this prop firm. But I see a lot of traders are not making money. So if you're looking to make money, I want to show you this copy trading system. Now, for you to get this copy trading system, it is free of charge. You just have to be a member of my car club. Now, for you to get access to this copy trading system, and for you to be a member of my car club, it's just €99 one-time payment and €29 monthly subscription. Now, there's so many other benefits that you get as a club member. The first benefit is for you to have access to a copy trading system that can make you 10 to 20% every month. Now, the second benefit is for you to have opportunity to drive a brand new car. Now, depending on the country you are in the world, this club works globally. Whether you're in the US, in the UK, in Africa, or anywhere in the world, you can be part of this My Car Club. Now, the third benefit you're going to get as a club member, you have opportunity to earn residual income every single month. But the fourth benefit you're going to get as a club member, you have opportunity to learn how to trade. We have a lot of mentors in the club that will teach you how to trade. Now, the fifth benefit, you have opportunity to network with everybody in the club. Guys, I want to welcome you to my car club because why? I know that this can change a lot of people's life because you're not investing anything. You're just taking advantage of the copy trading system by using your own broker or any recommended broker for you to start trading. You're not investing anything. This is like joining a community, and there's so many benefits of the community. Now, I believe you love what I just said. Let me show you a video of what happened last week. I want you to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. See you in another video. I want to show you the result of this copy trading system as of the current week that just ended. Today is Saturday, which is the 29th of April 2023. I want to go to my MT4 to show you the result of the week that just ended for you to see how this copy trading system works. Remember last week, it made a profit of $161. That was for last week. But I'm going to be showing you what happened this week. So let me go ahead to click on my MT4 right now. As you can see, I've clicked on my MT4. As you can see, the market is quiet. Everywhere is in blue, meaning that the market is not currently trading. So I'm going to go straight to the history to show you the history of last week trade. So let me go straight to history. Now this is history. This is for last week. But let me click on today. There is no trade because today is Saturday. But let me click on which is the week that just ended. Let me click on it. As you can see, we made a profit of $251. Now, last week was $161. This week is $251. Guys, this is the consistency in this copy trading system. That is why I'm recommending it to anybody interested in making money. You can make between 10 to 20% every single month with this copy trading system. Now, for you to have access to it, you need to become part of our club. So, the way people join different club membership for different benefits. And that is the same way you join my car club. You have access to different benefits. In my car club, you have access to this copy trading system, 100% hands-free. Number two, you have access to a brand new car. You have opportunity to earn monthly residual income, connect to other club members and learn how to trade. And at the same time, invest in the cryptocurrency market. It's interesting. All right, as you can see the trades of last week, you can see the profits, you can see the losses, and all of those things. You can see all the trades. It has stop loss and take profit, and it's amazing. Now, let me show you from the 15th of December 2022 to this present date so you can be able to see what is happening. You can even watch my previous videos to see what happened, and you can actually watch this video to confirm everything. It's very, very transparent. Let me show you December, 15 December 2022, currently to the 29th of April 2023. So let me click on done. As you can see, a total profit of 5,426. If you check my last video, I think we're around 5,003 something at that time, or 5,001 something. I'm going to check for you to see the exact number we were at last week. But now we have increased. Let me get that screenshot to show you. Now you can see the exact number we had last week. You can see the current week right now. We are 5,426. Now, the first trade was taken on the 19th of December. The money was funded on the 16th of December. Guys, this is high level of consistency. For over 4 months, you can see what has been happening on this particular account. Now, it is better for you to, chat me up on WhatsApp right now by checking the link in the description to have access to this copy trading system and also be a member of my car club. See you on my WhatsApp.